Welcome to my latest offering, Chipmunk Crossing RV Park, West Plains, Missouri. Whether you're a retiree looking to augment your retirement income or a young family looking for a side hustle from your day job, this has everything you need. Welcome to your home at Chipmunk Crossing RV Park. Your 1,500 square foot home is heated and cooled with geothermal, has its own hot tub and a gourmet kitchen. 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. It's absolutely everything you need. Plus it's got plenty of room to add on, and the geothermal system is oversized just for that. This is the pool area for Chipmunk Crossing. It's a full fiberglass pool in the ground. It's got all brand new pump and filter ready for your occupancy. This is a turnkey operation, priced to sell. Call me, Jim McFarland, 417-274-3176, or our office, United Country, West Plains, Missouri, 417-256-1000. Thank you.